Okay, this is problem number 2 from stoichiometry section 3. It says benzene contains only carbon and hydrogen. So we have our carbon and we have our hydrogen. And it says that's got a molar mass of 78.1 grams per mole. Okay, and this is analysis shows the compound to be 7.74% hydrogen. Find the empirical molecular formula of benzene. So if it's given that 7.74% is hydrogen, then if we subtract from a total of 100%, we'll get that carbon is 92.26%. So now this is the percentage of the total. Now the next step, as you saw in the previous video for part 1, we found percentage. We found was saying, we'll call this X, and X represents the grams. You'll have your grams, your molar grams over total formula mass. So now we have the percentage, we have the total molecular formula mass, and we just need the grams. So we'll manipulate this formula, and we'll need to multiply the percentage times our total molecular formula mass. So to get carbon, we will get 92.26 times 78.1 grams per mole, and that will give us 72.05 grams of carbon. And now we'll do the same thing for hydrogen. We'll multiply the percentage times the total molecular formula mass, and 7.74% times 78.1 is 6.04 grams. Now what we do next is to get moles. Moles equals grams over formula mass. So we'll divide each of our grams by our formula mass. So the formula mass for carbon is 12, formula mass for hydrogen is 1. And essentially the answers end up being 6 to 6. So here's our ratio. So then from the ratio, we go C6H6, which is our molecular formula. However, we need not only do we need our molecular formula, but we also need our empirical. And the empirical is the simplest form. So we'll just divide everything by 6, and CH will be our empirical formula. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped.